You guys, welcome back. What kind of foods make you think of the holidays? For me, it's this Asian rice cake filled with savory pork and mung beans that's wrapped in fragrant banana leaves, eaten across many Asian countries. Let's make them. These are banana leaves. I can only get them frozen here, but they're just as fragrant and flavorful. You can find this in your local Asian grocery store in the freezer section. I'll show you how to process them for this recipe. Cut them into long pieces like this. Let's cut off the tough stem here so that it'll be easier to manipulate. Using a damp cloth, wipe down each side. Banana leaves are delicate and tear easily. To make them more pliable and resilient, let's pass them over a low flame. The heat will tighten up the connections between each grain so they won't tear as easily. What you're looking for is the leaves turning a vibrant green, as you can see it developing here. Let's prepare the fillings. The sticky rice has been rinsed 5 times and has been soaking in water overnight. Let's rinse and strain it. Add sugar, salt, and coconut cream. It's going to make the rice fragrant. The mung beans have also been rinsed and soaking in water overnight. Let's rinse and strain it. Add salt and black pepper. You want to use a fatty cut of pork here. Cutting them into strips like this, not only will it impart flavors into this savory cake, it'll be super tender and enjoyable to eat. Season with garlic, sugar, black pepper, granulated chicken flavor, and oyster sauce. And cooking twine for tying up the rice cakes. You can cut them into manageable pieces, or you can tie and cut as you go. Banana leaves have a glossy and dull side. We'll need 2 sheets. on top of each other with the dull sides facing inwards. The glossy sides will touch the rice cake and give it a light green tint, which is iconic to this cake. Add a thin layer of sticky rice, a bit of mung bean, a few strips of fatty pork. You can put more too. A light coat of mung beans and sticky rice on top. Don't worry about being perfect. They'll shape themselves during the boiling process. Bring the edges together and fold tightly like this. Fold one end over and tap the cake down to compact everything. You can add a bit more sticky rice to the ends to cover the filling a bit, if you like. Fold that side over, flip, and do the same to the other side. Tightly wrap and tie the cooking twine around it to seal it shut. One more time. This cake reminds me of my grandparents, who made these often during the holidays, and now my mom, who makes them once in a while. Certainly a treat. Place the rice cakes flat into a deep pot. Completely submerge with water. Add in any banana leaf scraps you might have. It'll impart more of its fragrance and flavor. And boil on medium for about 3.5 to 4 hours depending on your stove. Be sure to check on the water levels every once in a while and add more water if you need to. After about 3.5 hours, they're done. Let's cut one open. It smells incredibly fragrant from the floral banana leaves and the coconut cream. The sticky rice is soft and infused with the aroma of the banana leaves. The mung beans are fluffy and the pork is super tender and savory. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and I'll see you all in the next video. Be safe, everyone.